Good day, everyone. I'm Cllr Thavha Maifala-Masebe, the DA Deputy Regional Chairperson in Gauteng East in Ekurhuleni. Now, today I'm in Kwa-Thema, and one of the issues that we were here for is the Multipurpose Center that Council spent 12.5 million rand without no progress at all. Now, what is of a big concern is that when you look at Kwa-Thema, there's a number of sporting facilities that are dilapidated and that have been neglected. One has to ask a question: why are we building these facilities without a plan? We should have a government that actually commits money with a clear plan as to how the community is going to benefit out of these things. As a Democratic Alliance, we are speaking to community leaders, we are speaking to councillors, especially about the Multipurpose Center. I'm in Kwa-Thema and I'm joined by the spokesperson of the DA in the Ekurhuleni Caucus for Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, Mr. Mike De Silva. And today, Mike is going to tell us we've got a multi-purpose center that the city was supposed to build using 12.5 million rand. Now the question is, what has happened to that? Mike, please tell us what has happened to the 12.5 million rand and what are we looking at currently?
So if you take a look around, not much has happened with that money, which is the principal reason we're here. So it was meant to be a multi-purpose sports complex with a number of different sort of facilities, ablutions, etc. That has not materialized at all. There are great concerns about whether the residents of Ekurhuleni and specifically the residents of Kwa-Thema have received value for money. I don't blame them for thinking that they haven't, because if you look around, there's nothing here. So what needs to happen now is that this needs to be investigated, because at the end of the day, there's clearly something wrong here. And if we don't get the necessary information and we don't bring the people who have possibly stolen money from the city to justice, this is going to happen again and again and again. So we have to close the taps on corruption.
No, thanks, Mike. But now, just quickly take us through what has council decided and where does the DA stand on that council resolution?
So council has decided to, firstly, that the company involved should be blacklisted. They've also decided that this item should then go to the MPAC committee, which is the Municipal Public Accounts Committee, so that committee will then investigate and dig a little deeper. But that is not necessarily far enough, because there are a number of questions that still need to be asked that committee might take years to even get to. So, for example, where did that money go? Will that money ever come back to the citizens of Ekurhuleni? Probably not. There's a number of different concerns here which we need to look into. So while we support it going to MPAC, of course, there needs to be much more investigative work done than just going to MPAC.
And I believe that from council's point of view, the blacklisting report was supposed to have come end of March.
Yes,
have we seen that?
Well, no, we haven't seen it.
We haven't seen that yet. Okay, so it is quite very clear that, from a DA point of view, we want accountability. It is not good enough that we pay contractors money that we don't see value for money for. For example, where we're standing, we are looking at a lot of digging without anything being done. We are looking at a lot of empty, half-built structures that we don't know what is going to happen. So with Mike and many other people, we are going to make sure that we continue to hold the city to account. Welcome, Babustole. Babustole, we are here, but we multi-purpose center like 10. And when as community leader, constituency chair, SDA, and branch chair, how does this affect the abantu base-10?
Kus-affecta kakhulu umphathi njengoba ubona le ndawo yayikhandelwe ukuthi isize abantu, ngaba abantu abasha mhlambe nabantu abadala, ngoba kwakufanele benendawo zokujima nakho konke. But mawubhekile la ayikho into ekhomba ukuthi abantu basizakala ngendlela right. Mawuhamba uyale ama access roads ibhuqu udaka, mawungele imoto encane le ngabhajwa, akuna paving, akuna tar road, akunani. isikotha mawubhekeleni akugundwa, but the fact ukuthi if it was a different sporting codes, you only see into esoccer nakhona nama-grade standout 2 cishe kadlala abantu abawu-14. Awazi ukuthi if kuthiwa into ka-12 million and then the 12 million yenzani more nama-strength cishe awu-3, and then ne-facility cover sport se-football kuphela. Yebo ngiyabona amapala rapa awu-2 laphana, kodwa ayikho kahle kahle into eyenzakalayo. The point umuntu angayenza ukuthi imali esetshenzisiwe besazi umsebenzi wenziwe are two different things. Iyakutshela lelo nto ukuthi imali khona la ishone khona ayizange emsebenzini wabantu. I-reality ithi indawo le ayikho futhi safe, ngoba abantu bayadabula by access control ayikho. Uyangena ngapha uzophuma ngalo, no one ask you ukuthi who's that or where are you going. I mean, like really akuhlelekanga kahle manje.
Now tell us, what would you like EDA to help you guys, and what have they done or seen them do so far?
Well, cabanga ukuthi njengabahlali baseThema okungasiza kakhulu nengasiza ngakho EDA ukuthi kumasipala waseKurhuleni, uhulumeni waseGauteng, uhulumeni ngazwelonke ibe vocal ngalolu daba, ibuza ama-questions, kuthola isisombululo ekugcineni kwazeke ukuthi le mali engaka yenzani, le mali engaka yenze umsebenzi. If there are ama-regularities akhona, ubani involved in terms in the side of the municipality, ngoba ekugcineni noma ngabe ucontract uyidlile imali makuthi uyidlile, but someone was helping that person esayidini lakamasipala. So all those answers siyawadinga njengomphakathi ukuthi okay, siyabona manje akusenzekile, imali idlekile ongabe idlekile ngabe njani, ilahlekile abenzekeleni, but then i-accountability ibalulekile kakhulu. Siyazi ukuthi i-DA njengamanje yayiphusha le issue ukukhansela, and we are very grateful ngalokho. As you may know ukuthi ukhansela wethu la endaweni Political Hate, Precious Jacobs, also said something on this matter. I mean, Ubabu Mikey or ohlala kule committee said something on this matter, but the reality is ekugcineni we need answers nama-solutions. Ekugcineni sazi ukuthi le mali elahlekile and nokusuka manje kuya phambili kuzolungiseka kanjani, ngoba still abantu baseThema bayidinga indawo yokudlalela, abantwana bakhona bayidinga indawo yokudlalela, ngoba lento yama-sport feeds noma different sporting feeds yenza ukuthi abantwana bekwazi uku-avoida ukuthi bengene ey'dakamizweni, ngoba bakhona into asuke beyenza. But ma ungekho indawo zokudlalela, indawo zokwenza inzo zokujima ini, kulula ukuthi abantwana bathole konke ngopho bathole kuphela, so it becomes a problem.
Siyabonga, and we just want to say as a DA in this region that we are standing with the community, we are standing with our councillors in caucus to ensure that accountability and living spaces are a reality. Thank you very much.